Hello everyone. Welcome to Psychoways, the Art of Mind. Unveiling the Human Blueprint, a look at genetics. Genetics is the fascinating field of science that explores the study of genes, heredity, and genetic variation in living organisms. In this presentation, we will delve into the human genome, unraveling the intricate code that shapes our physical traits, behaviors, and predispositions. We will explore the mechanisms of inheritance, how genes are passed from parents to offspring, and the role of genetics in human health and disease. Get ready for a journey into the microscopic world that holds the key to who we are. The building blocks of heredity, DNA and chromosomes. Our genetic blueprint is written in the language of DNA, a molecule so small it requires a microscope to see. Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is the hereditary material found in almost all living things. Imagine DNA as a twisted ladder, with the sides made of sugar and phosphate molecules, and the rungs formed by paired nitrogenous bases. These bases, adenine, A, guanine, G, cytosine, C, and thymine, T, act like letters in a genetic code. The specific sequence of these bases determines the instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. Chromosomes are organized structures within the cell nucleus that package and protect our DNA. Humans have 46 chromosomes, half inherited